We have a minute left. Here's one area where he didn't say I wanted discussion. He's talked about global warming, and there he saw California indeed leading the world to reduce greenhouse emissions. I mean, we only have 30 million people here. There are 6.5 billion people on the planet. Was this hyperbole?
I don't know. What I thought was interesting was he also took the opportunity to criticize the President Bush, and his administration's take on global warming. He specifically said California, the federal government is not acting, and California will take the lead.
You get the last 15 seconds, Mark.
Yeah, I think he's taken a strong stand. It's not a stand that a lot of good conservative Republicans necessarily agree with. We don't believe that the science is really there to justify global warming as being anything other than cyclical, and to think that the automobiles are causing the changes to that degree in our atmosphere is a bit foolish, but again, he wants to bring experts to the table, and that's good.
I thank you both. Mark Price,
What a pleasure.
Wade Sanders.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.